Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area near Las Vegas has one developed campground. Opened in 1998 to replace the Old Oak Creek Campground and formerly known as the 13-Mile Campground. The Red Rock Canyon Campground is located 2 miles east of the Visitor Center on West Charleston Boulevard, State Route 159. It provides a close proximity to the natural beauty of Red Rock Canyon, offering basic facilities along with picturesque landscapes and hiking trails for nature enthusiasts. It serves as a tranquil retreat from the vibrant city life of Las Vegas, allowing visitors to enjoy camping and hiking in a serene environment. There are no electrical, water, and sewer hookups. There is no dump station for recreational vehicles. There are no showers. Shade structures are available throughout the group sites and many of the individual sites. Restrooms are vault toilets. Water faucets for drinking water are located throughout the campground. Visitors can reserve single or group campground sites at recreation.gov. Reservations can be made up to 6 months in advance, but not less than 48 hours of the desired arrival date. Checkout is 11 a.m. Check-in is 2 p.m. Now the nightly cost is $25. The Red Rock Canyon Campground is closed annually during the summer, typically between Memorial Day and September 1st. Happy camping! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.